dear students, today discussion about the potential due to dipole. LAQ question number 1. First of all, discussion about the electric dipole. Electric dipole consists of two equal and opposite separated by the very small distance as shown in the figure. If Q charge and 2a length of dipole will be given, dipole moment P is equal to 2a Q as shown in the figure. Negative charge and positive charge, two charges equal and opposite separated by the 2a distance, and O is center of dipole, and negative charge distance A from center of dipole, and positive charge distance A from center of dipole at a point O. 2A is 2A length, and next now our aim is to calculate the electric potential at a point P, distance R from center of dipole along line OP, making angle theta with AB, and BN and AM perpendicular to OP. Next now electric potential V1, electric potential V1 at P due to positive charge at B point is given by the V1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by BP. Next V2 potential at point P due to negative charge at point A, V is given by V2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q by AP. Now resultant potential at point P potential at point P is given by the V is equal to V1 plus V2. Resultant potential at P, V is equal to V1 plus V2. Above the equation V1, V2 value, substitute this equation, we get value V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by BP minus 1 by AP. From diagrams BP approximately equal PM is equal to OP minus ON. BP approximately PN is equal to OP minus ON. From right angle BON, from right angle BON, here right angle making angle here, so BN is opposite and OB is hypotenuse and ON is adjacent side. Here OP is R. OP is R minus ON. ON is A cos theta. Okay. Next, right angle triangle from AP. AP is approximately the AP is approximately here AP approximately PM is equal to OP plus OM. From right angle AOM, right angle here M height. So cos theta is equal to hypotenuse hypotenuse OM OA. Okay. Here OM is equal to A cos theta. A cos theta. Next, from this equation, AP approximately is equal to PM. OP is R plus OM is A cos theta. Okay. AP approximately PM is equal to R plus A cos theta. Then both equation, this equation 1, this equation 2, this equation 3. Here equation 2, 3 substitute in equation 1. From equation 2 and 3 in equation 1, from equation B is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by BP minus 1 by AP. BP value from equation 2 and AP value equation from 3. Substitute in equation 1 because get equation potential B is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by BP value R minus A cos theta. Minus to minus 1 by AP approximately PM is equal to R plus A cos theta. R plus A cos theta. Okay. Next, B is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. Here LCM R minus A cos theta, R plus A cos theta LCM. Go to the numerator. R minus A cos theta minus R minus A cos theta. Numerator by denominator. Here equation form A minus B into A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. So here get the equation R square minus A square cos square theta. Here R plus R minus R cos theta. Here minus into minus plus remaining b is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught 2a cos theta 2a cos theta by r square minus a square cos square theta. Next, this equation can be written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q right here 2a q cos theta by r square minus a square cos square theta. So next, from dipole value 2a q is dipole p, b is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2a q is dipole p is equal to cos theta by r square minus a square cos square theta. Next, r greater than a because a square term is neglected. A square term neglected. So remaining b is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught p by r square. This equation expression for the potential due to dipole. Next, this equation expression for the dipole potential due to dipole. Case 1 P lies on axial line of dipole that is theta is equal to 0 degrees cos 0 value 1 because a axial line of a dipole is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught cos value 1 because p by r square. Okay. Next, case 2 p dipole moment lies on the equatorial line of dipole that is theta is equal to 90 degrees cos 90 value 0 because potential equatorial is 0. From equation this cos value 0 because potential of equatorial v is equal to 0. Here p lie on axial line of potential that is theta is equal to 0 cos 0 value 1. From equation v is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught p cos theta by r square. Get the equation v 1 by axial line 1 by 4 by epsilon naught p by r square. Here equatorial potential is 0. End.